very important, especially for beginners. Alright, so I have asked ChatGPT, can you provide me some tips for a job interview? Alright, so here are the some tips that ChatGPT has provided. Number 1, research the company. Number 2, prepare your answers. You have to dress properly, alright? Arrive early, show some excitement, be honest, and follow up. Well, these tips that ChatGPT has provided is true. Alright, again, let's jump into my another question. So I have told ChatGPT, can you suggest me some investment opportunities? And ChatGPT has provided me some investment opportunities that I may consider. I'm not going to read the whole thing, alright? So number 1 is stocks, number 2 is bonds, real estates, mutual funds, and cryptocurrencies. Alright? Okay. It is important to remember that all investments carry some degree of risk. So it's important to do your research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions, which is true. Alright, so I'll ask ChatGPT my last question. Okay, so I have told ChatGPT that can you please provide me some information about a shortcut video editing software, which ChatGPT has provided me. So number 1, support a wide range of video and audio information, including 4K resolution, interface with a drag and drop template and customizable interface. Alright, advanced video editing and features such as multi-track timeline, video transitions, and filters and color correction. Audio editing features including volume adjustments, effects, and many more. Export options to a variety of video and audio formats including YouTube, DVD, and more. Alright. Okay, so ChatGPT has leave us a note also. Let's read. What is it? Overall, Shortcut is a powerful and versatile video editor that is free and open source. It is a great option for those looking for a professional grade video editing software without the cost. However, may have a steeper learning curve than some other video editing software, so it may take time to learn how to use all of its features. Alright. Okay, so that's it. This is the end of my question. Now we have given some questions to ChatGPT and ChatGPT has answered it. Also, keep in mind ChatGPT has many benefits and it's important to keep in mind its limitations as well. Alright. For example, ChatGPT is not always able to understand the context or overtone, and its responses can sometimes be inaccurate or inappropriate. Alright, so now it's time to answer some of the common questions about ChatGPT, and here are a few questions you may be wondering. Number 1, is ChatGPT safe to use? Number 2, accuracy of ChatGPT's response. Number 3, what are some of the ethical concerns about using ChatGPT? Alright, so let's answer these common questions. Number 1, is ChatGPT safe to use? ChatGPT is generally considered safe to use. However, as with the artificial intelligence tool, it's important to use it responsibly and be aware of its limitations. Alright, so ChatGPT's response are generated based on the data it has been trained on, which means that it can sometimes produce inaccurate or inappropriate response, but it is considered safe Alright, so ChatGPT is considered safe to use. Alright, number two, let's answer number second question. How can I improve the accuracy of ChatGPT's responses? Now, there are several ways to improve the accuracy of ChatGPT's responses. First, it is important to provide a clear and concise prompts that are specific about what you want ChatGPT to do. Additionally, using a proper grammar and spelling can help improve the quality of the response. Alright, now let's jump into the third question. There are several additional concerns about using ChatGPT. One of the concerns is that ChatGPT could be used to spread misinformation or harmful content, but another concern is that ChatGPT could be used to create deepfakes or other forms of manipulate media. Alright, so these are the questions, the common questions which I've answered. But ChatGPT is an amazing tool to use, guys. As you can see, I have asked ChatGPT to answer few of my questions, and ChatGPT has provided me and satisfying questions, and I'm impressed. My mind is blown actually. Guys, you should try ChatGPT and yeah, tell me how's your experience. Alright, now that brings us to the end of this video tutorial. We have covered what ChatGPT is, how ChatGPT works. Before ending this tutorial, let me give you some bonus tips about ChatGPT. Alright, here are some tips for optimizing the result from ChatGPT. Number one, you have to start with a clear and concise prompt, which I've said earlier. Alright. Number two, be specific about what you want ChatGPT to do. Alright. Number three, use proper spelling grammar, which I've said earlier. Alright. And last, keep your prompts simple and straightforward. Alright, so these are the bonus tips. Alright, so thank you for watching this tutorial on ChatGPT. We hope you find it informative and useful. If you have any questions or feedback, please let us know in the comment sections. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more contents. Alright, so thank you guys and see you in the next video.